Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix power on problem in your this Infinix smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. Let's start the video. If your power button is not working, or if you are pressing it and it is not powering on, it means it is mobile or discharge sometimes. So you have to first charge your smartphone, and then you have to press this power button, and all three buttons are there: volume up, down and power button at the same time. And when it restart, you have to just refresh your smartphone by deleting some of the applications that are not useful. Delete photos, videos, documents that are not in use. Release some of your storage, and then you have to do a software update when if it is there. If not, you have to just restart your device, or if it is has, then you have to do restart your device, so it will fix your smartphone and power on problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.